eyes to see with, ears to hear with, hands to do the work of God. Whether you saw our posts, heard stories from our alumni, or prayed about what you can do to support Rosary during this time, we thank you. Over the past week, you've heard from 4 incredible graduates who are pursuing education or careers in STEM. During this pandemic, we continue to encourage striving for truth, faith development, and academic excellence. On this day of giving, we come together as a Rosary community to support those values. We are thankful for your generosity, even if it's simply including us in your prayers. I'm a member of the graduating class of 2014, so this morning I chose to give $20.14. If you're able, please consider donating to our STEM campaign today so Rosary can continue to grow and thrive. Our STEM renovation is being completely supported by donations and grants, so with your help, we can begin construction. Please visit rosaryhs.com/STEM to view more information, videos, and the link to donate.